how long until you see results in this business? I'm going to start off saying it's not a get-rich-quick scheme by any stretch of the imagination. So if you're looking to get rich quick, this isn't it. So you may as well go find something else because this isn't for you. But if you're willing to put in that persistent and consistent effort over an extended period of time, this could get you the results that you're really looking for.
That's exactly right. And it's one of those things that you might come into this knowing a little bit about marketing, you might come into it knowing nothing at all, okay? So it's a brand new skill set that you need to learn. And it's like an athlete, right? He didn't just come out and win that marathon, or she didn't come and win that marathon. They had to do the training. This is no different. We're just doing video training to learn marketing and how to get you started. So you might have the question for us, as we just mentioned then, like how long until I'm going to see results? Now, results can be a number of different things, right? And I know that most people are going to think financially straight away, okay? So it's going to come down to the effort that you're willing to put in, the time that you're willing to invest in growing something new and turning it into that passion. Because, you know, like Cody and I, it became a passion of ours. It doesn't feel like work anymore, right? So from there on in, you've got so many different options in which way you can take it and which way you can perceive your reflections of results.
And it really depends what you define as results, monetary or personal growth, because that's the amazing part about this journey. It's one big personal development journey. And before you get the results, you have to grow as a person, because before your bank account grows, you have to grow. That's the most amazing part about what we do. And then it's just the personal growth journey that you go on outweighs the monetary side of the thing at the start.
And it's exactly what we've just brought up with you guys then. Like, there's so many different steps that we need to take before we get into that, you know, that mindset of creating wealth and starting to think like an entrepreneur, starting to act like an entrepreneur. Because at the end of the day, there's not a boss giving you a list of things to complete for that day. You have to kick yourself in the bum and get yourself going, right? You're not getting up and heading off to a job. So you've got to be self-disciplined to get into that mindset of an entrepreneur, because at the end of the day, we don't get paid on hours that we put in. We get paid on performance and how well we perform and bring the results through to the table. That's what's the most important thing, and that's what you're going to have to learn and grow through. And as coach and mentors, that's what we're here for, to help you with. We've been on that journey. We know what things you can get distracted by. We know what things don't work, and we're going to teach you the best way we possibly can to fast track you as quick as you can into that entrepreneurial world. Because I tell you what, locations like this wasn't a place I used to work at.
No, exactly right. And the best thing about what we do, there's one system in place. The system is the same. Like the training's the same. We all get coaching and mentoring. The system is the same. It's a proven system. That is the same. It's us as people that are different. Well, there's people inside this opportunity that have left their jobs in 8 months, 10 months. But there's also people in this opportunity that have been working for 2 years and still working.
So that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Everyone goes on their own journey, but you can see there, that's where it comes down to the level of commitment. How bad do you want something? What time frame do you have on what you want to achieve?
Yep, and the best way to end off on this video right now is to tell you that your results are going to be governed by the action that you're willing to put in. So if you take this by the reins, ride that horse home as fast as you can, you will see the results that you want. But you have to set those goals, and you have to know what you need to implement to go and achieve them.
Exactly right, and we'll be here every step of your journey. You'll never be alone in this opportunity. That's the most. I say it again. I say it all the time. If you follow me or what I say, I'm always about the community support. What we do is amazing because the community support that we have. So,
8 months ago we didn't even know each other.
10 months ago we didn't even know each other. Now,
here we are.
Now look,
so, you know, and that's what we're getting at today. Is we're trying to create this page and these videos to show you the support, to show you that we do have your hand held through all of this. Like, we're not going to get in and do the work for you, but hell, we are going to help you along the way, and we are going to hold your hand and stand in your corner and fight for you to win for this, because this lifestyle and this feeling and the way that we perceive life now is just so different, right? We're grateful for every morning that we get up. We're grateful for every day that we get to work like this, and it's a massive life change. And at the end of the day, I wasn't happy in the environment that I was working in, right? I was building somebody else's dreams. It's time to make mine. It's time for Cody to build his. It's time for us to change as many people's lives as we can, because at the end of the day, right, we're here once. And do you know how quick that goes, right? I'm 32, right, as I stand here right now filming this video, right? It doesn't matter if you start this journey at 20 or if you started at 35 or 40, right? You want those days you have left to count, right? And that's what the entrepreneurial journey is about, because it's building that lifestyle that you can go out and create yourself. You can choose what you do throughout the day. You can choose your work hours, all right? And you can choose to work like this. That's what I'm passionate about.
And we talk about action. You only can get where you want to go if you want to take action. Now is your time to take that action. Nothing is going to happen if nothing changes in life if nothing changes, and it's so true. I live and die by that saying. So now it's your time. If you want more out of life, you want to see parks like this, you want to travel the world, whatever you want to achieve, It's not going to happen if you don't take that action. And we're here by your side every day to help you make sure you take the action in the right step, and be here every day to help you achieve your goals and dreams. So
once again, guys, drop your questions in the comment
drop
section.
below.
Give it a like and a love if you like this video, and we'll reach out to you very soon.
Awesome, guys. See you soon.